In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money selling Canva templates. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever wanted to start an online business but had no idea where to begin, this is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to get started. Canva is used by entrepreneurs, coaches, small business owners, teachers, and students every single day, and most of them need ready-made templates that save time and look professional. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to choose a profitable niche, design your own templates with Canva and some of its AI-powered tools, package them up, and then start selling for extra income. Why Canva templates sell? So people buy Canva templates because they make design effortless. Instead of starting from scratch, they can open a file, swap out colors and text, and have something polished in minutes. The market is honestly huge, and the more specific your niche, the easier it is to stand out. Once you create a single template, you can sell it over and over and over again, turning your design into an income-generating asset. Step number 1, pick a niche. The first step is choosing a niche for your templates. Instead of trying to make designs for everyone, focus on a group of people with similar needs. What you should do is ask yourself, who do I want to help? What designs would make their life easier? If you pick a niche you understand, your templates will feel authentic and useful. So once you've got your niche picked out, what we need to do next, which is step number 2, create your templates in Canva. So now we're going to start designing. If you don't already have a Canva account, we do have a link down below and you can get started on their free plan. Okay, now we're going to go into my Canva. I've been using Canva probably every single day for the last 4 years, maybe even 5. I think in 2020 when I started my business. So I've been in here a lot. I have so much in here. I will say for this demonstration, I'm using the Pro plan. There are certain things that the free plan does not allow you to do, especially with the AI stuff I'm going to show you, but you can still just get started on the free plan and just play around and see if you even enjoy the tool itself. But yeah, I use it for everything from media kits to lead magnets to freebies to my podcast and YouTube thumbnails to even planning photo shoots. I use it for everything. So there's a couple of different ways you can create, right? You can create from scratch. So you'll click create and then you can do a custom size. So what we're going to do now is, let's just say we're creating a wellness workbook. We can even start from a template. Maybe we'll make a wellness journal. So we can even just search journals, or like I said, you can use the A4 and start from scratch, but I like to start from a template and then completely edit it and redo it to match what is authentic to us. So maybe daily routine. Okay, love this. You can go ahead and click customize. Also too, you'll be able to see which ones are Canva Pro and not. Okay, we'll customize this template. Now what we're going to do is completely make this our own. We can change the background. So, okay, we can come to photos right here. So this is the navigation bar over here. We've got design, elements, text, brand kit. Again, this is for Pro plan only and up. Uploads, tools, projects, etc. So we can find something that we like, and even to what we can do. Let's just say we like this, and maybe we want to put this in the corner, but we want to remove the background. This is one of their AI features, is background removal. I use it every single day. We'll click position to move it to the back layer. Okay, so of course we want to edit this to be our own. Maybe this is a morning routine guide. If we want to change any of this font, we can. This is like one of my favorite fonts. Okay, we can move things around. We can delete this. Morning routine, morning ritual, maybe that's cuter. Okay, we move this over. Maybe they have these. This is kind of like a mock-up, like you can see. So you'll know when you actually want to create the journal. That's what it'll look like. It even gives you a preview right here. Okay, maybe we don't feel like we need that. We just want to put the date, and we can move some of this up. What we can do is even group this together if we would like to keep this. Maybe we change this to top 3 action items, affirmations for the day, right? We can group this together, move it up. Okay, and then we can edit anything else on here, right? So now maybe we want a plain background, modern. What's also cool to do is we can move this to the back, and obviously you cannot read the words well at all. So what we're gonna do now is we'll just get square, and then we can actually move this around. If it was a graphic, we wouldn't be able to edit it like this, but we can do that, and then we will make the transparency down to back. Just move it 1. Okay. Maybe we want all of this font to be white instead to see if that shows up better. So we'll go to design, styles. Again, this is a pro feature. Okay. You can read that a bit better. So obviously this is not complete. We want to make sure that we're really making it uniquely to us. Maybe that does not fit the vibe and we want more of a plain background. So position to back, right? Maybe that doesn't fit the vibe. Maybe we even want to move this girly up here, right? It can be whatever it is that you want. And we can even turn the transparency down on here. So it's just kind of the essence of that. But again, it's so customizable. You should play around with it. It's really fun to just come in here, especially for me. I definitely would not consider myself a creative person at all, but I'm able to come in here and play around with all these tools. And it honestly makes me feel creative because it's so easy to navigate. Just as kind of a pro tip, what you can do is create bundles of 10 to 20 templates. A single design doesn't sell as well, but a pack feels more valuable and gives buyers variety. But even if you wanted to do more of social media pack, you can come in here and get some ideas from here, or again, customize them to fit your needs. But even this has a couple in here. So this is more of a packet. But again, there's so many templates in here. So you don't have to start from a blank screen. You can really start and get some ideas and then make it your own. Step number 3 is to save and share your templates. So when your templates are ready, you'll need to share them. Then all you have to do is you can have this link be copied, and it can be allow view access or copy private link. So if it's view access, depending on what you're selling, right? If it's a journal, maybe you don't want them to edit it, but if they're more Instagram templates, you probably do want them to have edit access. Or you can print directly with Canva. So even this notebook, right? Like print your design on notebooks. You can completely print them out here. You can decide college ruled, wide ruled, or blank. You also can a public view link. You can create this as a brand template. You can again make this a template link, which would again probably be best for people who want to edit it so they can make it their own. And you can also just download it, add it to Google Drive. You can export it for socials, etc. Now, what you'll want to do too is create a PDF delivery file that includes a short welcome message, instructions on how to use the template, and then the clickable Canva template links. So this PDF is the actual product buyers will download after purchase, right? So let's just say we'll use this Instagram post as an example. If we want to share and make this a template so people can go ahead and edit it, and then we'll create a PDF. We can even do that on Canva directly and then add this link in there and just explain how to use it, right? Maybe even do a Loom overview to show them how they can use this and edit it themselves. Step number 4 is to package your product. So now it's time to make your product look professional. What you can do is create a mock-up image that showcases your designs in action. So you'll definitely want to write a clear benefit-focused product description. You'll want to include what's inside, like 20 editable Instagram templates, the platform it was built for, and what can be customized, like the colors, the fonts, the images, the text. You'll also want to add a note about what's not included, like stock photos or mock-ups, so buyers know exactly what to expect. Step number 5 is to choose a platform to sell. So there are several great platforms these days. Etsy is perfect for beginners. It has built-in traffic searching for digital templates especially. We also do have a link to Etsy if you want to get signed up. You'll just click sign in, and then you can create an account with Google, Facebook, or Apple, and you can go ahead and register. They make it super easy to upload, set a price, and just put your link directly on there. That's why having mock-ups and images will be really beneficial because you'll want to upload those as well. There are other platforms though as well, like Creative Market, which is great for design professionals who want to sell assets. There's also Gumroad, simple stores for selling directly with instant file delivery. You also could sell directly on your website. We really recommend Hostinger because it's such a cost-effective way to create your website with really fast load speeds. Step number 6 is to price your template. So pricing depends on your niche and value. I definitely would recommend starting modestly and then raise the prices as your store gains reviews and sales. But remember, once you make the design, you can sell it endlessly. Step number 7 is to market your templates. So to get traffic, you'll need to show your products in action. You can try posting template previews on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. You can share behind the scenes design clips or time lapses of you creating them. You can even create educational posts like how to plan content with my Canva pack, or even offer a free mini template to grow your email list. The more visual your promotion, the faster people understand the actual value. Step number 8 is to deliver and support. So when someone buys, they'll instantly receive your PDF delivery file. Make sure it's clearly labeled and includes easy step-by-step instructions. If a customer has trouble accessing it, reply quickly. Good support leads to positive for views and repeat buyers. Now, let's talk about a few common mistakes to avoid. So many beginners make the mistakes of overcomplicating their templates. If they're too busy or too hard to edit, buyers are going to get really frustrated. So keep them clean and flexible. Another mistake is ignoring the niche. General templates like 20 Instagram posts are harder to sell than 20 Instagram posts for real estate agents. The more specific you are, the easier it is to stand out. So I just wanted to quickly touch on the payment plans and options for Canva. So like I said, they do have a free plan. The plan I was using was the Pro plan, which is $120 per year for one person. So the reason I ended up upgrading was because I ran out of space, and also I love all of the premium templates. The brand kits are also a huge benefit to me. All of the AI features are also really cool, like the remove background and also just resizing. So I can create something that's a YouTube thumbnail and then resize it to be an Instagram reel cover or something like that. Super fast. And then you can also plan and schedule social content, and you get, again, 1 terabyte of cloud storage. Then we've got the Canva teams, and this is $100 per year per person. The minimum is 3 people, just as a side note. But with this, you get everything in the Pro plan, but you can scale your brand and centralize assets. You also get high access to premium AI features. You get general on-brand text and visual assets with AI admin controls, team reports and insights, and more. They do have a Canva Enterprise account as well, but you do have to contact them. Just contact them. But I do want to mention too, I just went over all of the yearly prices. If you want to pay monthly, it will be a little bit, it'll be 16% more. But you can also get access to the free trial of the Pro plan right now as well. Like I said, I use Canva every single day and have probably for the last 5 years straight. I love it. It's really easy to use and is really simple for beginners to learn. So is this side hustle for you? If you're looking for a side hustle that's affordable, flexible, and scalable, selling Canva templates is such a great option. You can start today with 0 upfront costs other than your time, and you can scale by creating more templates or niching into higher value packs. If you are creative, organized, and willing to market your products, you can absolutely build steady income from this business model. The bottom line is that selling Canva templates is one of the most accessible side hustles available. By choosing a niche, creating clean designs, packaging them well, and marketing smart, you can build a digital product business that pays you long after the work is done. It's not about creating one viral template, it's about building a catalog of useful designs, listening to your buyers, and improving over time. If you want to check out Canva Pro, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is all about showing you how to build real side hustles with clear steps and practical tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.